You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 23rd of April. This is James Spann. A picture-perfect spring day today. The weather turning warmer later this week. We might see a shower in spots on Thursday, but again, we just don't see any big rain event here for at least the next week or so, as the main storminess is to the west and north of the state. Here's the upper air look across the country today. We have a deep upper low that's right above my head here. That's the one that brought the rain over the weekend. That's moving away. We have a northwest flow aloft. And again today, a very dry air mass in place. It's the visible satellite view across the country and the southeast United States. And again, you can see we are pretty much cloudless. Just a little field of fair weather cumulus clouds near the Gulf Coast, and that's about it. A glorious day. Closest rain to the state up north, parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. And that will stay far to the north. Temperature is getting closer to average. We should be in the upper 70s this time of the year. We've got mostly low and mid 70s over the northern half of the state. Birmingham and Huntsville 73, Montgomery 74, Mobile 76. Again, you couldn't ask for a better spring day. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Got some freeze and frost issues up north. In terms of the severe weather threat for the rest of today and tonight, we have a marginal risk from near Chicago over to Grand Rapids, around the Great Lakes, and a couple of risks over parts of northwest and west Texas. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of west Texas and Oklahoma. This is day 3, which is Thursday. We have an enhanced risk for parts of Oklahoma, the eastern Texas Panhandle, and southern Kansas. The broader risk running from the Rio Grande up into parts of Nebraska, Colorado, and extreme southeastern Wyoming. Let's keep going. Day 4, this is Friday. Got a risk of severe storms from Dallas-Fort Worth to Des Moines. Day 5, which is Saturday, risk of severe storms. Again, Abilene, Dallas-Fort Worth, up through much of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri. And day 6, which is Sunday. Have a risk of severe storms from the Ark-La-Tex region up to near Chicago. But again, this upper ridge will keep all of that really nasty, stormy, severe weather north and west of the state. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And for Alabama, the Gulf Coast with basically nothing. Hey, if you got a beach trip coming up, this is a great time to go. Just no rain at all for the Gulf Coast. The northern half of the state, maybe a half inch. And again, if we see that most likely will be Monday night and early Tuesday of next week. But all the new data is in Model Fan, so here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. And again, we have a northwest flow aloft. And once again, should be a nice day. Partly to mostly sunny, highs mid to upper 70s, much like today. This is Thursday, and again, there's evidence there could be a few isolated showers, but really nothing more than that. I get the idea that many places will be totally dry on Thursday, so we'll mention isolated showers, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs close to 80 in most spots. This is Friday, got a deep surface low across the high plains, and south and east of that, severe storms are likely, but around here, the ridge is the story. Sinking air, a warm day with low 80s, the sky partly sunny. And as you plan your weekend, it looks basically warm and dry. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. And could there be a shower somewhere? Yes, but the chance of any one spot getting a shower is so small, we just don't think it's worth the mention right now. Highs for the weekend between 81 and 84 for most spots, a little above average for the end of April. And again on Sunday, we notice surface low near the Lincoln, Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska, with a trailing front. And again, south and east of that surface low, there could be strong to severe storms, but not here. Monday, the main low is moving up into Canada, the weakening front approaching, and it looks like we'll have a chance of showers late Monday or Monday night of next week in about 6 days. And this is a week from today. Tuesday the 30th, and obviously there's no upper support. We have a ridge in place. The front will fizzle out and dissipate, but there might be a few scattered showers on Tuesday of next week. The weather stays warm with low 80s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, May 3rd. Getting closer to meteorological summer. Got a big trough coming into California, but ridging all across the southeastern states. And once again, the weather looking warm and dry. So it's the same story today, like we've talked about for a long time here. We just don't see any high-impact event, one that would create flooding or severe storms for the next 7 to 10 days. We'll check rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. And look at that. That's awfully dry, considering the fact that we are in April and early May. This is valid through May 8th, and the mean is under 1 inch. Wow, between 1/2 and 1 inch. So a pretty dry pattern here. Temperatures 70s today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Then low 80s for the rest of the week and the weekend, and mid-80s in here for the latter half of next week. And again, we had some spots hitting the upper 30s again this morning, but I think that's the last time we're going to see 30s around here until probably sometime in October. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for May 1st through May 7th. And an expansive area of above-average temperatures, including the Deep South and Alabama. All right, let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Whoa, what a crowd. Wow, Crossville Elementary School, DeKalb County, Alabama. We had a big crowd in there today, and let me tell you what, they were great. They had a marvelous time today, and look at that cake. That's just amazing how they make these. That's tremendous. We had a great time today talking about science. Yeah, buddy, you can learn some science, have some fun, talk about the different kinds of weather, how we forecast the weather, but they were just great. What a great group of teachers and students today. So again, to everybody at Crossville Elementary School, home of the Lions, up in DeKalb County, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you know you guys are looking good. Also wanted to say thanks to my friends at Pelham High School. Had a chance to speak to their graduating seniors at a luncheon today. Had a marvelous time. They were just great. Tomorrow going to be at Tarrant Intermediate School for a program tomorrow morning. And then Thursday, I will be at Center Elementary School in Cherokee County. And then we are going to do a weather radio programming event. Want to be sure I got my time right here. This is Thursday at the Lowe's in Fultondale. That's Walker's Chapel Road right off I-65. We're going to be there between 4 and 6:30. So if you want us to check your weather radio, bring it by. If you want us to add counties or take away counties, if you need one, you can buy one in the Lowe's and we'll program it on the spot. It's a great time to do it. Everybody needs one. That is the baseline for getting warnings. So again, that's a weather radio programming event Thursday evening between 4 and 6:30 at the Lowe's in Fultondale, right off I-65, Walker's Chapel Road. Thursday evening, I'll be at the club right after that to MC the Alabama AGC Annual Build South Awards. It's always a lot of fun. Friday morning, going to be in Homewood, the Trinity CDC Child Development Center. And then on Saturday, got a book signing in Fayette, Alabama. Hey, it's a 2-for-1 special here. Here's the deal. So Saturday morning at 9 o'clock at the Fayette Civic Center, I'm going to be doing a weather program in which you will get basic storm spotting and severe weather safety. It's really good. We need more spotters, so if you can, come at 9. But if not, that's fine. We'll be there for the book signing between 10 and noon. And we'll have all the books, the hats, the shirts, all the cool weather stuff. And we love these. They're just great. I get a chance to talk with a lot of people, and we meet people, and it's so much fun. So again, Fayette, Alabama, the Fayette Civic Center. The storm spotting severe weather talk begins at 9. The book signing from 10 until noon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock right across the hall in Studio A. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.